Hello guys and welcome back to this channel. So today I made the easiest 10k ever using the 714 method. As you already know, the 714 method, I've taught you guys how to use it. So today let's look at how I used it in this live trade. Now you are going to look at it from where it started, right, up to where the trade actually picks these two trades that I was in, this trade right here and this trade right here, right? So one thing you need to know about this 714 method is I don't enter into this method with small lot sizes, because with this method I'm sure that if I get it right, we are going down, right? And most of the times I can't remember the time that I used the 714 method and I've gotten it wrong actually, but that's just what I'm saying. That's just by the way, right? So it was pretty much simple. By the look of it, you can realize or you can understand how this trade moves. But if you are someone who still don't understand it, let's look at it, right? So very simple. Looking at these two black lines, we know for sure that during the 714 method we were in a an uptrend, right? So during the 714 method we were in an uptrend. Very simple. But you already know that when you are in an uptrend or you are in a downtrend, the most important thing is for you to find your levels, right? Finding your levels are the most important things to do. Now, looking at this level, that was a 15-minute time frame. If you go to the 15-minute time frame, you will have realized that from this level all the way down to here, that was a fair value gap right there. Very simple. In this place, when you actually go back to this level, you realize that there's a lot of liquidity there. So it was very simple. If we are in a downtrend during this 714 method, I would have entered into a buy around this level, moving all the way up, right? But if we're also in an uptrend during the 714 method, just like this, we're in an uptrend, I'll also enter into a sell from here, coming all the way down to this level, right? So it's very simple. That's just what you should have done, or that's just what I did. And it was just a very simple trade. So let's look at the trade and see what happened. So it's very simple. Let's analyze the trade. Step 1, you identify your levels, right? Very simple. Step 2, you place your orders at those levels that you want to buy or you want to sell. Simple as that. And you wait patiently for price to do what? Move into those levels. And just note or put places that you want your TPs to hit. Very simple as that. Now, looking at this, we can also see that price actually moved and picked one of my trade at that moment. That was only one. The reason why I did not manually input the other trade was because there was news at that moment, right? And because there is news at that moment, the margin is going to be high. Like if there is news, the spread becomes very wide. So if you look at it, you can see that my stop loss is very high, right? Very simple. So you see that the news came in, then pushed the order that I placed there a little bit up, but picked it later, right? Very simple. Now you can see that we are almost at our first TP. So it's just a very simple thing. I've said it a lot of times, but people don't actually understand, or some people just look at it and they don't even want to use it in the first place. Meanwhile, the strategy that you are using is not working for you, and you watch a video, I'll explain the strategy for you. Use it and boost up your account. Having a big account size is very good because it helps you enter into a lot of trades, right? So at this moment we had a very serious retracement back there, right? So I was still working on this trade that I wanted to take on, where Euro USD. Very simple as that. Now I later on went back to it and I said that my TP2 got hit. There was another news around 2 o'clock, so my TP2 got hit with that news candle. There was this big spike, right? And very simple. Now I could have entered into a trade up there. I could have entered into a trade up there at the place that I previously entered, right? But I'm looking downwards. As you can see, the trade that I took on Euro USD, it also manifested, right? But I saw a change of character, and you know me, if I see a change of character, I just go out of the trade. That's it. Simple as that. So that was it for today. It was about 10 plus K, but that's just the easiest 10K I've ever made using the 714 method, right? I've been making a lot of money from it, but it's just single trades or just a little amount of money, right? So today was just easy and simple and very nice. You guys should check out the video that I made actually explaining it into details and use it, right? You can use either the 714 method or you use my own trading strategy, right? The MBK method. It's very simple. It's going to help you more. Very simple. So I'll see you guys in the next video.